just pick up the chicken them. So holy rain, guys. See there? Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shana K. Now in today's video guys, I'm just gonna be giving you guys another vlog, so please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your post notifications so whenever I drop a new video you will be notified. All right, so let's get into the video. All right guys, so today is Sunday, so I'm gonna go cook some French fried chicken and rice and peas. So I'm just clean up the chicken, so I'm go season it up here now and put it in the fridge, make it marinate a few hours before me start cook. So see chicken here. Yes, so I'm gonna go ahead and start seasoning it up here now. And me also finish cook the peas, so see it there. Alright. Alright guys, so I just finished seasoning up my chicken, so see it here. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and now and put it in the fridge, make it go and marinate. So I'm just go ahead and cover up the container with the chicken, put it in the fridge, make it go and marinate. So meanwhile the chicken are going to marinate, I'm gonna go ahead and season up the rice and peas water. Guys, so I just transfer the peas water out of the pressure cooker pot and put it in this pot here. Yeah, so this pot I'm gonna cook it in, just a normal pot. So I'm gonna go ahead and now season it up. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and now add in the scallion and the thyme, a pepper, coconut milk, some salt, sugar, and a piece of butter. So I'm gonna go ahead and now guys and mix it up and taste if you make sure say alright. Then I'm gonna just cover up the pot and allow it to marinate while the chicken are going to marinate as well. Alright. Alright guys, so my chicken finished marinate, so see it there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in some egg and flour and then start fry.
Life is sweet when the sun, I'm like the trees in the summer. When the seas are troubled, then we all need some my life for. There'll be smart thing, we all strive for.
Alright guys, so time to dip the chicken in now. So first we go dip it in the egg. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in the flour. And make sure I coat it properly. Yeah. Alright guys, so that is it. Alright, so I'm gonna finish coat all of them guys and come back and show you. So see all of the chicken here. Yeah, so I just finish coat them. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add them in the hot oil. Alright.
To live life in a comfort. So forgive me if I fumble, cause I'm only human. Somebody move that I don't know. Hit them with the 7-box combo. Always looking out my window. Paranoid and confused, I'm not sure anymore who was knocking at my door. And so as the day comes.
Alright guys, so this is the first batch of chicken. So I'm going to make sure to turn on the fire so they can soak properly. Then finish fry the rest of them. Alright, so whenever I finish fry them guys, I go come back and show you how they look. So guys, this is the first batch of chicken for my fry. I know I did tell you say when I finish I go show you everything, but I decided to show you the first batch before I show you everything. And see the rest of them here. Alright guys, so this is all of the chicken. I just finished fry all of them. Yeah. So now I'm going to go ahead and make some sauce for the chicken and put on the rice. Me just finish with my sauce. So see it there. So guys, me just put in the rice in the pot. See it there. So I'm going to close it up here now and allow it to go and cook. So whenever I finish, I come back and show you. So guys, the rice almost finished cooked, so I'm going to look about some mixed vegetable real quick to put on the side. Alright, so first I'm going to add a little bit of cooking oil. Just a little bit. That should do. Then I'm going to add a piece of butter. I don't have a heap of butter, you know, guys. Only this I have left, so I have to go just work with it. So now I'm going to go ahead and put in the vegetable. So add in a little bit more. And that's enough, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and mix it up. And just sprinkle a little salt and just a little bit of black pepper on it. So guys, the mixed vegetable just finished. See it there? So I never have to cook it for long, guys, because it is already pre-cooked. And see the rice here. So I'm going to just go ahead and mix up the top of the rice, guys, and turn it down and make it go and steam. Then I share up my dinner. Alright. So whenever I finish share up my dinner, guys, I'm going to come back and show you. Okay guys, so I just finished share up my dinner. So see it here. So I'm going to go ahead here now and eat.
And we all look good as fuck. She said she my op, but I don't know her. Had to look her up. I know that I'm rich, but I can help it, bitch. I'm good as fuck. I've been on these bitches. Sometimes I fucking stuck. I can put you in my business. You might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word of up tomorrow. Bitch, I still got cases open. Keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Play with me today, then get some sleep. You know it's up tomorrow. Fake bitch, that's why my friend fucked on your nigga. Both you bitches pussy, I think y'all should scissor. She bought a chain, I bought the same one, even bigger. She throwing shots, that's how I know I got a trigger. I don't speak dog ho, I don't care what no bitch say. I stay on her mind, I got condos in that bitch head. She said she don't fuck with me, who say that you can't hold? That nigga munching, he gon' eat me like a mango. Long ass weeks, it be tickling my ass crack. Wonder what I do tomorrow that these hoes will be mad at. Oh yeah, bitches sweet, and I always get my lick boo. I fight for my bitches and I'm fighting over dick too.
Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Poppin' shit, you would think I went to school for chiropractic.
Alright guys, so I'm on my way here now to the ATM. I'm here. So I just finished make the deposit. So I'm gonna go uptown here now, go pick up the chicken them. So let's go.
If you want to shop.
DJ Lexi on the mix.
You go power for the result, nothing to discuss.
Alright guys, so I'm on my way here now. I'm going to the farm store to get the chicken.
Cause I did by default and without any doubt, I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, I'm a mind that's you the talk, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that get both. Like the Baba fry, yo, my ayo, don't cry, yo.
So guys, right now I walk up and then I look bulb for my fall cube. The kind of bulb I want to draw more heat, it's hard for me get them because them I tell me say they stop make them. So I'm just a walk and I check before me make a purchase. If me can't get none, then I go just buy one of the energy saving one and done. Is it? You don't have the yellow one them? Just them the one there? Oh Jesus. So guys, me not get through with the bulb, you know, but them say only the energy saving one me have, and me already have one back home, so me go just use that the one day. So me not go bother waste no money and buy no bulb. So guys, me just pick up a chicken them, so see them here with the half bag of feed and one more chopalin as well. So I go look taxi and now if I go home. So I just get one taxi. So I dip on my way home, you know, with the chicken then. See them there. They were asleep.
And if you go and shadow, 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 and if you go and shadow. I did what I cut when then kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bonner. Now so much you remain with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you and if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in Felisu. Why you say I did nothing for you and if I do?
Know that you been dying for to come through. You don't wanna tell the bitches come through. When you pulling up so disrespectful. Girls in my city wanna flex too. Cause one girl's where I'm from. Cause one girl's where I'm from, yeah. Cause one girl's where I'm from. Cause one girl's where I'm from, yeah. You been dying for the come through. When the ghost, don't be getting me head. Cause I like.
Alright guys, so I just reach home with the chicken then and the bag of feed. So I'm going to show you them now. Alright, so see the chicken here. So I'm going to get the coop ready and now to put them in a hit. And see the half bag of feed.
Quiet down in my ear, seeing nothing like it. Talk to you, ain't nobody flossing like you. Don't drip, she don't do that thing like it. Stop this, she gon' mess with my mirror, no care. Baby, tell him Pierce, gotta tell him.
Alright guys, so it fit it perfectly. So I'm going to take it back down and then clean out inside and then put in the sawdust to put in the chicken them now.
Just how I like it, now you with me. You ain't no side piece. In lingerie, sending me late night pics. You know the play, run over to my crib. Know that you been dying for the come through. You don't wanna tell the bitches come through.
So I'm going to go ahead and wash out them here with some bleach and fab. And I'm going to give them some water first before I give them feed because them will choke. So I'm going to make them drink water for about 5 minutes first, then we give them the feed. Okay? And guys, no pay attention to the bush around there. So when I listen, I go get chopped for the day. The person never did get to chop it done for me. So today, for sure, we go get the chop done. Because as we say, we have whole heap of mongoose around the area. So we can have the chicken them in the coop and around the back of it full of smudge bush.
When you pulling up so disrespectful. Girls in my city wanna flex too. Cause one girl's where I'm from. Cause one girl's where I'm from, yeah. Cause one girl's where I'm from. Cause one girl's where I'm from, yeah. I told her bring her best. Sometimes she bring her friends. Sometimes she bring herself. She bring me bad bitches.
Alright guys, so I just finish spread out the sawdust in here. So see it there.
There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point in losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place. Stuck in this paradise. Don't believe in paradise. This must be what hell is like. This got to be more. Got to be more. Sick of this.
So now then get them feeding and them water. Guys, as me put in the chicken, them look pan the mangoes. So guys, me get round at the back of the coop clean up. So see it there. Yeah, well clean you know, but we get poorly for rain, guys. See it there. We in the western part of Jamaica get poorly for rain. Poorly. So the chicken them locked down in the coop now, guys. Yeah, me turn on the light on them so they not cool. Okay guys, so this is pretty much the end of the vlog. So please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.